What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the AirPods Pro clones. So these are the i500 Pros. They retail for 90 bucks right now. They're having a Black Friday sale. As you can see, the discount code. So links will be in the description if you do want to pick these up. But we're going to be checking them out. So pop-up window only for iOS 13.2. So we're going to test this out on the iPhone actually. So we have 15 hours of battery life. They look pretty real. You have the charging case, in-ear optical sensors as well. So this should work with any Bluetooth enabled smartphone. It says what devices are compatible. Yes, your Android, yeah, so it'll work with Android, no problem, but I think this will be best compatible with pairing it with an iPhone so we can see all the features and stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's get this out the box. We have some manuals showing you how to set it up and use it. And we have a case. Oh wow, it's a different color. It's got a little blue. It's a USB Type-C to the Apple charger. Alright, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's go ahead and get these out. Pop them up. Oh, and as you can see, on the iPhone it's saying not AirPods Pro. Alright guys, so you have to keep this open when you're connecting them, and then they should go ahead and connect. So media control, play, skip forward 3 times to skip back, noise control on either AirPod, noise cancellation, transparency. So just showing you how to how they work and how to use them. So that's pretty cool. So it's like they're almost like real like AirPods. Interesting. So I also am getting this right here when I have it open. As you can see, it's giving me the battery percentage on the case, 100%, 98%. So that's pretty cool. Now here are the headphones themselves. They look pretty cool. Very I guess they look real. I'll put one side by side so you can see the real one, but I have to see when I actually pull it up, but they look kind of close to the real ones. I wouldn't be able to tell, honestly. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music, and I have them in my ear, and they actually fit really well in my ear. Really nice. I'm actually surprised how well they fit in my ear since I have really small ears. But let's go ahead and check out the sound quality. Yo, these actually sound pretty good. They actually sound really good though. Like they actually have a lot of bass, and they actually sound better than I thought. The mids and the highs could use a little work on here, but as far as like bass and just the overall sound, it's loud and it has a pretty good clarity. It blocks out a good amount of noise as well, and like I said, they're wireless, so you know a lot of people are going to prefer wireless earbuds over wired ones these days. But let's go ahead and check out a different genre of music. Yeah guys, these actually sound pretty good. I'm actually surprised. Like honestly, I could use these no problem. I'm actually kind of shocked that they sound as good. So if I touch, like I touch this part right here, as you can see, I can do the little gestures. So I'm actually going to leave the room and try to go to the front door. Alright, so when I went to the front door, it actually kept the connection. It's when it's when I left, like when I walked out the door, it started to glitch up and drop the connection. But as you can see, you can do voice control on here just fine as well. Let's try to check out the mic on here. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Oh no, yeah, the mic quality on here is not that great. I mean, it's decent, I guess for talking on the phone, but it's not or recording voice memos, you get a lot of kind of like noise. So do know that. Now we're gonna try these on Android and see how they do. See if I can find them. AirPods Pro. They pop up. So I'm gonna access call history. And I heard the connection. So let's go ahead, see if they still sound the same on Android. Oh yeah, these are loud, man. Guys, these actually sound really good. I'm actually impressed. Like, wow, they actually sound great. I was not expecting it. I mean, R&B, rock, you know, rap music, these are gonna sound great. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on my wireless charging pad, and it looks like it's charging. I see a little red light and pick it up. Yeah, the red light goes away. I put it down. It's charging. Let me make sure this is connected, or I have to pop it open. Yeah, there we go. So it's giving me the charging status right here, that it is charging. So that is very cool, very nice. So I'm very impressed with these. If you want to pick them up, be sure to hit up the description down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Great sound quality. It works even better on iOS. You get the whole AirPod experience like it's the actual real thing. And the audio quality sounds just as good on Android. The gestures are a little finicky, but they do work. It's just a really nice little pair of headphones. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit up the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.